Are you tired of wasting money on the wrong heat gun for your craft projects? Whether you're into resin art, embossing, tumblers, or vinyl wraps, picking the right heat gun makes all the difference. In this video, I'm breaking down the 15 best heat guns for crafts, covering power, temperature range, accessories, and value, so you can make the smartest choice. Let's get into it. Number 1. SEEKONE Heat Gun. SEEKONE Heat Gun kicks off our list as a true powerhouse for crafters who need serious performance. Running at 1800 watts, it heats up in seconds and delivers airflow at 250 or 500 liters per minute, perfect for everything from shrink tubing to vinyl wraps and resin work. It's also UL certified with built-in overheat protection, so safety is covered. What really sets it apart is the included 4-nozzle set and a handy built-in stand, giving you hands-free flexibility on your craft table. The only trade-off is its bulkier size compared to miniguns. But if raw power and reliability are your priority, this is the one. Coming in at number 2, the ROMECH Heat Gun takes a gentler approach with just 350 watts and a lower max temperature of 660 degrees Fahrenheit. That might sound limiting, but for detailed crafts like embossing, epoxy resin, and shrink wrap, those cooler temps are actually safer and more precise. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and won't accidentally scorch your delicate projects. The overload protection adds a nice layer of safety for beginner crafters. It's not the tool for heavy-duty jobs, but if your work calls for finesse over force, this is a great lightweight pick. A solid choice for careful, detail-oriented crafters. Next up, the Chandler Tool Heat Gun steps in as a beginner-friendly option at a modest 300 watts. It reaches up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit and comes with a reflector nozzle, making it well-suited for electronics, embossing, and resin crafts. The comfortable grip and precise airflow make it a pleasure to use, especially for longer crafting sessions. While the lower power output means it won't tackle industrial jobs, that's not what it's designed for. The ergonomic design really shines here. Your hand won't get tired mid-project. If you're just starting out with heat gun crafts, this is a friendly, approachable tool. Moving on to number 4, the SEEKONE Mini Heat Gun delivers big performance in a surprisingly compact body. At 350 watts, it reaches temperatures between 500 degrees Fahrenheit and 842 degrees Fahrenheit with 2 heat settings, and includes a reflector nozzle for focused airflow. Overheat protection means you can craft with confidence without babysitting the device. The small size makes storage a breeze, and it heats up fast, so you're never waiting around. It won't replace a full-size gun for demanding tasks, but for everyday craft use, embossing, heat shrink tubing, or vinyl work, it's a smart, space-saving option. At number 5, the Yeegewin Heat Gun keeps things simple and budget-friendly without cutting corners where it counts. It offers 350 watts, dual heat settings up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, and comes with a reflector nozzle for directed airflow. The standout feature here is its long power cord, giving you way more freedom to move around your workspace. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for DIY crafts, paint drying, and resin projects. Airflow control is basic, but for the price, it's hard to beat. If you want a no-fuss, budget-friendly pick with excellent reach, the Yeegewin delivers. Halfway through our list at number 6, the BLACK+DECKER Heat Gun brings that trusted brand reliability to your craft room. Packing 1350 watts, it reaches up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit and features an integrated stand for hands-free operation. a genuinely useful touch when you need both hands free. Its heating performance is strong and consistent, making it great for paint removal, shrink wrap, and general crafts. The one downside is it comes with fewer accessories than some competitors, but what it lacks in extras, it makes up for in dependability. If you want a name you can trust with strong everyday performance, this one's for you. At number 7, meet the CALPALMY Heat Gun, a craft gun designed with tumbler makers specifically in mind. Running at 350 watts with dual heat settings up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, it's built for precise, focused heating on curved surfaces like glitter tumblers and acrylic craft projects. The compact body makes it easy to maneuver right where you need it. The heating area is smaller, which is actually a feature, not a flaw, for tumbler work where control matters more than coverage. If you make tumblers or acrylic crafts regularly, this is practically purpose-built for your workflow. A great niche pick for tumbler enthusiasts. Coming in at number 8, the VortecSys Heat Gun is all about one thing: reach. Its extra-long power cord is the headline feature, giving crafters at large workstations or craft tables maximum flexibility without constantly repositioning. It runs at 350 watts, hits up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, and keeps a lightweight, ergonomic form factor. It's not designed for industrial-level work, but for everyday crafting it handles DIY projects smoothly and at great value. If you've ever been frustrated by a cord that's just too short, the VortecSys solves that problem beautifully. A practical, well-thought-out option for serious crafters. At number 9, the WORKPRO Heat Gun stands out in the minigun category by bumping power up to 400 watts, slightly more than most compact rivals. It covers a temperature range of 482 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, includes a reflector nozzle, and features a generous 5.9-foot cable for comfortable reach. Built-in overload protection rounds out a solid safety package. The accessory set is limited, but the extra wattage gives it a slight edge over other miniguns when tackling tougher craft tasks. For anyone who wants minigun convenience without sacrificing too much power, this is the one to beat. Highly recommended for small space crafters. Stepping up at number 10, the URTOOLS Heat Gun is a heavy hitter with 1800 watts and an impressive max temperature of 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. What really differentiates it is variable temperature control. Instead of just 2 preset settings, you can fine-tune the heat for whatever your project demands. Multiple included nozzles make it ready for a wide range of craft and heavy-duty applications. The larger footprint is worth noting if workspace is limited, but for versatility, it's hard to match. Whether you're doing delicate resin work or stripping paint, the URTOOLS adapts to the task. Best for crafters who want precise, powerful, all-in-one performance. At number 11, the Batavia Heat Gun takes safety seriously with its dual fuse protection system, a standout feature you won't find on many craft-grade guns. It runs at 1800 watts, reaches up to 1112 degrees Fahrenheit, and comes with 4 nozzles for versatile use across vinyl wrapping, paint removal, and crafts. It's powerful and protected. The trade-off is that it's heavier than compact models, which might matter during extended craft sessions. But for crafters who prioritize safety alongside performance, this is an exceptional choice. Strong, reliable, and built with your protection in mind. Coming in at number 12, the Resiners Heat Gun is purpose-built for one of the most popular craft hobbies out there, resin art. At 350 watts, with dual heat settings up to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, it's designed to pop bubbles in epoxy cleanly and efficiently. The kit includes 4 craft-focused nozzles, making it one of the best-equipped compact guns on this list. It's lightweight enough for long sessions and keeps things manageable for non-industrial use. If resin art, tumblers, or embossing are your main crafts, this feels like it was made exactly for you. A fantastic focused tool for the resin crafting community. At number 13, the ABUNRO Mini Heat Gun takes a unique position on this list by offering lower maximum temperatures, topping out at 662 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it genuinely safer for heat-sensitive and delicate craft materials. Running at 350 watts, with a reflector nozzle included, it's compact, lightweight, and purpose-built for careful, gentle heating tasks. For crafters working with materials that can't handle intense heat, this lower temp ceiling is actually a major advantage. It won't win any power contests, but it won't ruin your delicate projects either. A smart, safe choice for sensitive craft applications. Rounding out the second-to-last spot, the Wagner Heat Gun brings professional-grade credibility to both DIY and home craft projects. Delivering 1225 watts of power, it reaches up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit with strong, consistent airflow and the durability you'd expect from a trusted professional brand. Nozzles are included to cover common craft and home applications. The price point is higher than budget options, but the build quality justifies it for serious crafters who use their tools regularly. If you want something that performs reliably year after year, Wagner's reputation speaks for itself. A premium pick for the dedicated crafter. Closing out our list with a bang, the TGK Heat Gun earns the title of most versatile gun on our roundup. With 1800 watts of power and an extraordinary temperature range from just 122 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit, it covers more ground than anything else here. Variable temperature control and 4 included attachments give you pinpoint precision for resin work, paint removal, shrink tubing, and beyond. It does have a steeper learning curve for beginners, but experienced crafters will absolutely love the control it offers. If you're serious about your craft and want the most capable heat gun on this list, the TGK is your answer. A true professional-grade best heat gun for crafts. And that wraps up our full breakdown of the best heat guns for crafts. If I had to pick 2 standouts, the SEEKONE for raw power and the Resiners for dedicated craft work are both exceptional. Check the links in the description to grab your pick. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a review. Which heat gun caught your eye? Drop a comment below, I'd love to know. See you in the next one.